I would now like to hand over to Trent Bartlett to present the Apco Sustainability Champion Award. Trent brings more than 15 years of extensive multi-industry leadership experience in listed public companies, large private companies, and not-for-profit organisations. His specialty is in member-owned, member-governed businesses, and he holds a number of board positions in this area. Over to you, Trent.
Thank you, Anthony. The Apco Sustainability Champion Award recognises individual excellence from within the Apco membership community. Finalists in this category are selected based on their commitment to a range of criteria, including dedication to embedding sustainability into organisational practice, leadership, outstanding performance, standout achievements, and personal growth. Apco knows that the success of every program, project, and organisation eventually comes down to individuals. The passion and commitment shown by so many in the community is truly outstanding, and we are delighted to recognise those that continue to go above and beyond to help drive progress towards sustainable packaging. The finalists are Monica Doyle, Browns Dairy, Lachlan Veggins, Shep Australia, Ian Jacoby, Modern Dental Australia, Matthew Mills, Garden City Plastics, and Caitlin Richards, Coles. I'd like to offer my sincere congratulations to all finalists in what has been one of the most coveted categories, and it's my pleasure to announce that this year's winner of the Apco Sustainability Champion Award is Matthew Mills. So sustainable high fives and fist pumps, Matthew. We can't hear everybody madly applauding. Matthew Mills is the National Sales and Marketing Manager at Garden City Plastics, the largest manufacturer and supplier of recycled horticultural pots and containers in Australia. As a believer in large-scale repurposing and conservation of resources, Matthew leads an Australian team focused on listening carefully to customer needs in order to find new ways to respond and innovate, always with an eye to maximising the opportunity to recover and reuse materials immediately flowing through the market. Matthew has always been determined to build commitment to a new industry-wide approach at all levels in the horticultural sector to enable and further improve recycling rates for plant packaging produced and placed on the Australian market. Fully aligned and supported by APCO's collective impact approach, Matthew's efforts have demonstrated that industry-led closed-loop recycling can be a reality, and that a circular economy for horticultural packaging is emerging as a rallying point for green life production throughout Australia for horticulturalists, industry peak bodies, retailers and consumers alike. I'll now welcome Matt to say a few words. Congratulations, Matt.
Trent, thank you very much. I'm a little speechless, which is unusual for me. Thank you. I didn't even know I was being nominated for this award, but I would like to say that closed loop packaging in horticulture is something that came up through our customers and to us, and we wanted to spearhead it at Garden City Plastics. We were so lucky to be able to work with APCO and the industry peak bodies to get the conversation started, and I couldn't say thank you enough to the wonderful people at APCO for supporting my efforts to get our industry around a table and start to talk about a specialised framework for capturing our packaging and sending that back. And through those efforts, you know, there are manufacturers like Garden City right around Australia that will be able to continue to increase their use of recycled or recaptured polyprop. Our own efforts will push us north of 12 million kilos per year in the coming 12 months, and largely the collection of that will be because of this initiative. So I thank you very much indeed.
Congratulations, Matt. Fantastic effort. Also, thanks to Trent for looking after that award. I'd now like to introduce APCO Board Chair Sam Anderson to present today's most prestigious prize, the Sustainable Packaging Excellence Award. Since joining APCO in 2016, Sam has overseen significant membership growth, the introduction of the Australasian Recycling Label and the Packaging Recyclability Evaluation Portal to APCO members, and new tools to improve packaging design and member reporting and accountability. Sam is currently a director on a number of government, publicly unlisted corporations and a member-owned organisations. And it's great to have you with us today, Sam. So over to you now.
I hope I've managed to unmute myself.
You have indeed.
Thank you very much, Anthony. Your introduction makes it sound like I've actually got a big hand in this. So that's very generous, but in fact, this is obviously very much a team effort, and most of the credit goes to the Apco team who are on the ground every day. But it's a great pleasure to work with them, and I really thank them for their efforts. The Sustainable Packaging Excellence Award recognises an Australian organisation that is delivering tangible progress towards the 2025 national packaging targets. The winner has demonstrated clear commitment to sustainable packaging operations, circular packaging design, and outstanding industry leadership. To win this award, you've got to be a standout performer, both internally and externally. And I'm really pleased to say that we have such a company with us today, and a company which has been an Apco high performer for many years in a row. So I'm honoured to announce that the winner for the Sustainable Packaging Excellence Award is Lyondell Basel. I now welcome David from Lyondell Basel to say a few words.
Thank you, Sam, and indeed many thanks to the whole Apco team for all the fabulous work you do. Your efforts are truly helping to drive change towards a more sustainable packaging value chain, a goal in which we are all united and striving towards. On behalf of Lyondell Basel Australia, I would like to say what a great honour it is to receive this most prestigious award today. At Lyondell Basel, one of our key leadership principles is to embrace continuous improvement alongside our mission to safely and reliably deliver high-quality products to our customers. With this in mind, our packaging sustainability journey started over 30 years ago, when we commenced procurement of fully reusable 30-foot bulk containers purposely designed using lightweight aluminium to maximize the cargo capacity, delivering 22.5 tons of polymer pellets per trip. This was an alternative to standard 20-foot shipping containers requiring liners, or single-use 1-ton capacity bulk bags, or indeed the smaller format 25-kilogram bags. Now, a standard 20-foot shipping container not only delivers less product per trip, but also needs a liner to protect their polymer pellets. And of course, handfuls of product always became trapped within the liner and lost to waste. But now, without needing a liner, the highly polished interior surfaces of the purpose-built 30-footers enable total discharge of the material into the customer's silos. Of course, none of this would be possible without the expensive customer silos. So we've often chosen to partner and invest with our valued customers by making significant contributions towards the cost of installing the silo infrastructure required to receive these large bulk deliveries at their business premises. To date, this system has become so successful, we've had to lease additional bulk containers from our logistics supplier, so that together in 2019, we delivered over 70% of our domestic product to customers using this totally reusable, enduring, sustainable packaging format. Furthermore, at Lyondell Basel Australia, we pride ourselves on working closely with our customers to innovate and co-develop novel packaging grades that are highly efficient at their protective job, where being lightweight and having low processing temperatures helps to achieve a low carbon footprint. I'd like to finish by once again thanking Apco and congratulate all individuals and businesses that have chosen to invest in and embrace sustainable packaging. And I wish everybody great success with their own journey towards enhanced sustainability. Thank you.
Thank you, David. Well done. So here's the only clap that we managed to get across the airwaves today.